Namaste, welcome to sisrekhaskitchen.com. Today I am making apple chutney. It's a unique and must-try recipe. To make apple chutney, you can use any kind of apple. There are so many varieties in the market like Granny Smith apples, the green ones, or red delicious apples. So use any apples that are available to you. Depending on the sourness of the apple, you can adjust the ingredients. Today I am making the chutney with just one apple. You can multiply the recipe if you want. This apple is not too sour and it is not too sweet either. Wash the apple and cut it into very small pieces. You may remove the skin if you want. If you are keeping the skin, scrub it thoroughly to remove any residue from the pesticides. Rinsing the apples in vinegar water and scrubbing the surface will remove most of the pesticide residue. Transfer the pieces into a bowl and sprinkle with some lemon juice immediately to prevent discoloration. Mix it well so that all the apple pieces will be coated with lemon juice. Add some finely chopped cilantro and a little bit of jaggery. You can add more or less jaggery depending on how sweet the chutney you want and how sweet the apples are. Mix it well and keep it aside. To make tempering, take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a pan and heat it on medium heat. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Keep stirring. When the mustard seeds are popping up, add 2 red chilies by cutting them into small pieces. You can add more red chilies if you want your chutney to be more spicy. Add finely chopped garlic, and you can avoid the garlic if you don't like. Add a small pinch of hing or asafoetida and some curry leaves. Now add 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. Trust me, that chutney will be very tasty with sesame seeds. When the sesame seeds are popping up, add a pinch of turmeric powder and the prepared apple pieces. Switch off the flame quickly after adding the apple because we don't want the apple to cook. Add some salt and mix them well. This apple chutney is a good combination for chapati or pulka. But the best way to eat this chutney is like a salad. Let me know which way you like it. I enjoyed it more as a salad. Let me know if there is another way to eat. Please try this unique recipe and give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the recipe, give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. For more healthy recipes, check out my website at sisrekhaskitchen.com.